CMCS Health and Medicare Private Limited, your healthcare consultant in India. Ovarian cancer treatments in India. The two ovaries are part of the female reproductive system. Ovaries are located in lower abdomen besides the uterus and below the belly button. Your healthcare consultant from India, CMCS Health. You can send your queries to us on our WhatsApp, IMO, Viber or Telegram number, that is +91 9971986258. Functions of the ovaries. There are three basic functions of the ovaries: a reservoir for eggs in a woman, releasing female reproductive hormones like estrogen and progesterone, releasing eggs for fertilization for producing a child. What is ovarian cancer? A malignant, uncontrolled, abnormal cell growth in ovarian cells is termed as ovarian cancer. There are three types of CA ovary: epithelial cell tumors, germ cell tumors, and stromal cell tumors. Earlier, it was believed that ovarian cancers start in the ovaries only, but recent studies point out that ovarian cancers may start from the distal end of the fallopian tube too. The name you can trust for your specialized medical treatment needs in India. Ovarian cancer symptoms. Early symptoms can be because of the non-cancerous medical conditions too, but they are more frequent and common. Bloating, loss of appetite, lower abdominal pain, urgency and frequency for urination. Other symptoms may include irregular cycles, pain during the coitus, constipation, unexplained fatigue, back pain, abdominal swelling with weight loss, and pain in the lower abdomen. How ovarian cancers are diagnosed? After case history and physical examination, your doctor can recommend following tests: blood test, imaging test that may include X-rays, CT scans and PET CTs, and diagnostic surgery for collecting the sample for the biopsy. Cancer treatment in India with the best of the Indian cancer specialist. Treatments for ovarian cancer. Depending on stage, your doctor will decide the treatment course. That is surgery combined with chemotherapy, targeted therapies, or supportive care. The name you can trust for your specialized medical treatment needs in India, CMCS Health. For ovarian cancer treatment in India, send all your medical queries to us for getting free opinion of the best of the Indian cancer specialist. You can send your queries to us on our WhatsApp, IMO, Viber or Telegram number, that is +91 9971986258, or email us on contact@cmcshealth.com.